4 elite retrievers, one impossible labyrinth. Who will break the record?
Golden retrievers are widely seen as the quintessential family pet, loyal, high energy, and largely driven by the simple desire for a treat or a pat on the head. But observing the elite outliers of the breed suggests a level of focus that goes beyond simple enthusiasm. We are looking for the moment where frantic, lucky movements stop and calculated problem-solving begins. This data outlines the 2026 Global Canine Intelligence Benchmark, a threshold for advanced spatial reasoning based on the fastest recorded solve times for complex multi-stage tasks. Crossing this line requires a dog to abandon trial and error behavior in favor of a logic-based approach to a physical environment. The testing environment is a multi-stage labyrinth. It features a series of magnetic locks, sliding panels, and interlocking gears that can only be cleared in a specific order. This metallic obstacle course was built to provide a higher level of mechanical complexity than standard canine puzzles, requiring deliberate physical intervention to progress. 4 golden retrievers were selected for this trial, each having previously scored in the top percentile of standardized cognitive tests. This arena is designed to filter out the influence of luck, ensuring success is a result of the dog's ability to process and solve the mechanical hurdles. In the first challenge, the dogs must identify and disengage a sequence of magnetic locks that bar the way to the next chamber. 2 styles emerge quickly. Some dogs use a high-energy shaking method, pawing at everything at once. Others take a more observant approach, standing back to look at the locks before making a single tactical move. This eye-tracking heat map shows the dog's focus during the solve. The erratic scanning suddenly stops, locking on to the specific point where it finds the path forward. This sustained gaze indicates the dog is no longer guessing, processing the physical requirements before engaging. This shift in visual focus provides the first measurable evidence of an animal using deliberate reasoning to override its natural, frantic impulses. The difficulty increases with a 3-step lever system. To solve it, the dog must pull levers that don't provide an immediate reward, testing their capacity for delayed gratification. To add a layer of difficulty, the course includes scent-filtering decoys. These are designed to distract the dog using their primary olfactory sense, tempting them away from the logical sequence of the levers. This leaderboard tracks the dogs in real time, ranking them based on their speed, the accuracy of their movements, and how little assistance they require to reach the next stage. Reaching the end of this stage proves the dog is making a conscious choice to prioritize sequential logic over its natural instinct. Only the 2 most accurate dogs move on to the weight-sensitive platforms, the most physically demanding portion of the labyrinth. These platforms require the dog to place their weight on specific areas of the floor in an exact sequence to trigger the release of the final barrier. This graph compares heart rate data during the test. While a typical dog's heart rate climbs during physical effort, these outliers show a stabilization, where their heart rate drops into a steady rhythm the moment they engage with the puzzle. The dogs use precise movements to navigate the platforms, using their paws to trigger the release of the final metallic latch. This ability to maintain physical and emotional control under pressure is a key indicator of high-level cognitive performance. The final stage of the gauntlet involves a rotating gear mechanism that requires the dog to time their movements with the mechanical cycle of the machine. The top-performing dog observes the gears, waits for the rotation to align, and executes the final sequence of movements to clear the path. The final time is recorded, successfully surpassing the 2026 Global Benchmark for Advanced Canine Spatial Reasoning. Meeting this standard demonstrates that these retrievers are capable of complex reasoning on par with other species known for high-level problem-solving. These results have implications that reach far beyond a controlled testing arena. This data provides a new framework for training service dogs, allowing for more efficient ways to teach the complex, multi-step tasks required for specialized assistance. We're also seeing a shift in home enrichment, with designs for interactive facilities replacing simple toys with complex puzzles that challenge a dog's spatial logic. Recognizing these capabilities changes the way we approach our relationship with dogs, building a partnership based on shared effort and mental engagement.
These incredible dogs prove that intelligence comes in many forms. Did you enjoy this challenge? Subscribe for more amazing animal discoveries and record-breaking tests.